was bound by the weight of my fears. Every step felt heavy with shame. I was searching for hope in the darkness, calling your name. I was trapped in the sound of my past. Every voice said I'd never change, but your mercy found me where I was, and nothing stayed the same. When you spoke, the chains fell off. When you moved, the grave lost its hope. What the enemy meant for evil, you turned into a miracle. I was set free the moment you called my name. I was set free by the power of your grace. Every prison door is open, every heavy burden's gone. I am healed, I am chosen. I was set free by the sun. I was weary from fighting my battles, trying hard just to survive. But you stepped into my situation and breathed new life. I don't walk in fear anymore. I don't live in yesterday. I'm standing in the promise that whom the Son sets free is free indeed. When you spoke, the chains fell off. When you moved, the grave lost its hope. What the enemy meant for evil, you turned into a miracle. I was set free the moment you called my name. I was set free by the power of your grace. Every prison door is open, every heavy burden's gone. I am healed, I am chosen. I was set free by the sun. No more guilt, no more shame, no more fear. I'm not the same. No more chains, no more lies. I'm alive, I'm alive. No more guilt, no more shame, no more fear. I'm not the same. I'm not the same. Whom the Son sets free is free indeed. Whom the Son sets free is free indeed. Thank you, Jesus. I'm free. Hey, I'm free in you. I was set free. Now I lift my hands in praise. I was set free. I'll never be the same. Every prison door is open, every heavy burden's gone. I am healed, I am chosen. I was set free by the Son. Thank you for the freedom. Thank you for the